How to apply for student finance Yojana. Step-by-step guide for free education. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for the student finance Yojana. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Ensure that you meet the basic criteria such as nationality, age, and course type. You may need to be a resident of the country offering the Yojana, India for example, enrolled in an accredited course, and meet income or other specific requirements. Step 2. Gather necessary documents. Have the required documents ready, which typically include identity proof, Aadhaar card, PAN card, income certificate from the designated authority, educational certificates, 10th or 12th marksheets, admission proof, bank account details for disbursement of the loan or grant, passport-size photographs. Step 3. Visit the official Student Finance Yojana portal. Go to the official website for the Student Finance Scheme. This might be hosted by your government or financial authority. Example, National Scholarship Portal or NSP in India for various schemes. Step 4. Register yourself. Sign up as a new user by providing your personal details such as name, contact number, and email ID. Verify your identity through OTP or email verification. Step 5. Fill in the application form. Log in to your account and locate the Student Finance Yojana or Education Loan section. Start filling out the application form by entering personal information, name, date of birth, etc., academic details, current education, institution, course, financial details, family income, bank details. And before we proceed, in order for you not to hassle yourself in filling this application form, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 6. Upload required documents. Scan and upload the documents mentioned in Step 2. Make sure that the files are clear and in the correct format, PDF, JPEG, etc. Step 7. Review and submit the application. Double-check all the details entered in the form to ensure accuracy. Click on Submit to send the application for approval. Step 8. Track application status. After submission, you will receive a reference number or application ID. Use this ID to track your application status online via the official portal. Step 9. Wait for approval. Approval usually takes a few weeks, depending on the specific Yojana and the authority processing your application. Stay updated with emails or MSS notifications regarding your approval. Step 10. Receive funds. Once your application is approved, funds will be disbursed directly into your provided bank account or through your educational institution. And that's it, friends. You are now on your way to unlocking the door to your dreams through the Student Finance Yojana. Remember, education is the most powerful tool you can use to shape your future. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Your journey is just beginning. The sky's the limit when you believe in yourself. As you take this leap forward, keep this quote in your heart. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. B.B. King. Go ahead, apply with confidence, and make your dreams come true. Stay magical, stay inspired, and always keep moving forward. See you in the next video.